In today's video, let's talk about how to fix email not arriving in inbox. Now, in this situation, what mainly happens is the email is sent to the spam or junk folder within your email service provider. So if you're using Gmail, you can simply head over to the hamburger menu, and right here you should be able to see the option called spam, or if you're using other service providers, you may also see junk being displayed. Simply head over to it and try to see if the email is received within the junk folder. If this is not the case for you, you could also try out other folders such as the promotions or updates folder. Now, if none of these folders are able to receive the mail, this could likely be happening due to the sync error. So what you need to do is again head over to the hamburger menu, head over to settings. Once you're inside of the settings page, if you scroll down a bit, you should be able to see the option called sync being displayed. Simply make sure that it is checked and make sure that you increase the timeline as well, or the date as well. And if none of these solutions are still working out for you, the last thing that you could try out is just log out of your Gmail and then again re-log in. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.